Hello everyone, my name is Wasif Fazli and I'm a student of Acharya Institute of Technology. Me and my team have prepared a prototype of a plastic pyrolysis setup. I will first explain you the apparatus. Now first of all, we have a furnace in which we are going to melt the plastic. We are using a gas burner to melt the plastic, and this process occurs in the absence of oxygen. Now as you can see, this is our intake area where we are going to put plastics into it. Okay, then we are going to just put the lid on and this will be airtight. Now after this, we have this condensation pipe in which we have a cooling chamber. This cooling chamber is made of PVC and it consists of a reservoir through which a motor pumps the water into the reservoir and it revolves inside so that the condensation process becomes fast. Now after the condensation, these pipes take the condensed oil into the collection chamber. In this collection chamber, we'll get the bio oil that we can use later by processing for different purposes. Now, not all the vapors will get condensed. So the vapors that are not condensed or the gases will go through this pipe into this collection tank. This is a rubberized reservoir. So now if you have seen other prototypes of a pyrolysis machine, you wouldn't have noticed this because we have introduced this so that we can collect all the gases that are left out. So now I'm going to show you how the process works. Now first, I have crushed some plastic waste. These are your normal plastic bottles that I have crushed and some caps. Now I'll just open the lid and start inserting the plastic into the furnace. Now as I've filled this with plastic, I'll close the lid. I'll seal the lid now. Now the next step is to turn on the fire. As you can see, I have turned this on and now the plastic will slowly start to melt. This process is a bit longer, it will take around 1 hour. Exactly around 50 minutes, and as you can see, it's really hot and sweating even. Now we have been able to collect some oil, but I don't think you can notice this. We have even been able to collect some gas. As I can see here, the tube has puffed up a bit, plus there's an increase in the weight. So we have been able to collect the oil as well as the gas. This prototype was made by me and my teammates, and my team consisted of Abhishek Gowda, Ben John, Nikuj Patel and myself, your host Wasif Fazli. We want to thank our coordinators of the project, Professor Sadakshari and Professor Raju. We also would like to thank our project guide, Dr. Salman Shivakumar, and we would like to thank our HOD, Dr. Atal Manjunath, and our principal for giving us all the support that we needed for making this prototype.